Hello everyone, I'm Vanda and today we are exploring DocEasy app, which is your digital client directory for effortless document management. Are you tired of chasing down clients' documents? Are you worried about data breaches and privacy? Are you spending too much time on paperwork instead of closing deals? DocEasy is here to change that. So once you have logged into Pegasus Cloud, you will find DocEasy app under app section on top. So click on app and here you will see file naming and sorting tool DocEasy. Click on it. And here you are. It has a clean and user-friendly interface with the DocEasy logo. Uh, your all-in-one client directory for organizing, storing, and accessing important documents, simply designed for agents, by agents, as we understand your needs. It simplifies your workflow, enhances client services, and protects your privacy and the client's privacy. Now let's understand how it works. First step is to add a client. For adding a client, you click here, add applicant. You add the first name. I'll go with Jonathan Chen and I'll add test and then you save. The client gets added. You can click here on this drop down and select the client, Jonathan Chen test, and then you can start uploading files here. Click on this upload files and select the file. I'm going to select the job letter. Once it's selected, you need to go down document category, select the category whichever applies to this one. This is an income document, so let's select income here, and then we have document type. Click on the drop down and select the appropriate document type. It's a job letter. It's a job letter. Once it's done, then you can click here download. Here a file will be downloaded to your system and you will see the file already named. You can do this for multiple files. You can add another file. Let's say IT, open, and then download. So here you will see two folders already created. You can simply copy or drag or drop these, drag and drop these folders to your agent shared drive, and then start loading documents there. Pretty simple and straightforward. So here we have a few benefits of using DocEasy. It's efficient, it streamlines your document management process. It is secure with military grade encryption and automatic data deletion. Compliance wise, easily maintained, organized, and it can easily organize the client's records and their data. It impresses clients with your professionalism and it saves your time, a lot of time. You spend less time on paperwork and more time on closing deals. So are you ready to elevate your client experience and protect your business? So you can request a demo or you can watch the demo video here and then follow along. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at helpdesk@pegasusmortgages.com. Thank you everyone for watching DocEasy tutorial video. I'll see you in the next one.